Today, I am diving into a tutorial that's going to make your life a lot easier. I am showing you how to withdraw your hard-earned winnings from Linebet straight to your MPESA account. It's quick, it's simple, and it's just a few steps away. Let's get started. To kick things off, log into your Linebet account. For a more user-friendly experience, I recommend switching to desktop mode. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then select Desktop Site. This adjustment ensures you can easily see all the details at a glance. Now that you're set up, head over to Linebet, whether through the website or the application. In my case, I'm using Linebet website. Locate the person-like icon and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various options. In the drop-down menu, look for the Withdraw Funds option. Click on it, and a new page will unfold, presenting you with several withdrawal methods. For the speediest transaction, choose MPESA, your gateway to a swift and convenient withdrawal process. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, the minimum for MPESA is 10 bob. Following that, provide your surname, first name, and the mobile number where you want to receive your funds. Accuracy here is key to a smooth transaction. Almost there. After entering your details, Linebet will send you a 7-digit code for verification. If, like me, you're using Google Authenticator, navigate to the app, copy the code, and paste it into the designated field. Click Confirm and your withdrawal is in progress. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to withdrawing your Linebet winnings straight to your MPESA account. These steps may seem intricate, but with a bit of practice, you'll master the process in no time. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more insightful guides, and drop your comments below. Whether you have questions or want me to cover specific topics, we're here for you. Until next time, may your bets be successful and enjoy those winnings.